by far my top country is Germany, and then Italy, France, and Spain come after that. And they are combined, they are another 50% of what I do in Germany. And the UK is just a shitty market for my product, so we don't really do any effort there.
By far, in terms of volume, not talking ease of use, but volume, is US, Germany, and I guess UK and Japan might be about tied. So I guess those would be my top four: US, UK, Germany, and Japan. But Australia is opening up, and it's a huge, huge country. And if you have sellers who are a little bit fearful about selling with other languages, it's English speaking.
So like most people, our number one country is the United States. We actually are really just getting started with Amazon International Marketplaces. I looked at this last year and realized that the path for growth for us was way easier with international expansion than it would be with launching more products. Product development takes 6+ months for each product, and there's economies of scale of buying more of the same product than there is going out and developing new products. So we've launched in Canada, the UK, and all of the European Union, and we're going to work on Australia. I talked to a lot of other sellers, and the consensus was that you should be able to expect between a 50 to 100% increase over your Amazon US sales by being in a cumulatively in all these different marketplaces, which would include Canada and in all of Europe.
Hey, are you looking for a fast and accurate all-in-one Amazon software tool with the most accurate Amazon data on the planet? Tools that have helped thousands of Amazon sellers make more money? Helium 10 has everything you need in one powerful software suite. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Product research, keyword research, listing optimization, hijacker alerts, keyword tracking, refunds, and a lot more. Helium 10 can reduce hundreds of hours of work to just seconds. So check out Helium 10 for free today by heading over to helium10.com.